Hi, welcome. Thank you for taking out time for watching this video. Today I'm going to tell you a story about this highly ambitious, educated, independent, a little stubborn, with a mind of her own kind of girl who came from an affluent family with a very educated father and mother and an elder brother who supported her throughout. And her struggle started as soon as she got married. Because marriage, even in an Indian context, I'm sure there'll be a lot of women out there who would recognize and resonate with this. A marriage in Indian society is like a paradigm shift for each of the ladies. It is starting from ground zero. The self belief, the achievements, the certifications, the self confidence, all of that goes, it just disappears on the various walls or frames it was hung at. The medals which were there, they just happen to disappear, and you are supposed to start from ground zero. You are supposed to start afresh. That became a low point for me, and with the grace of the universe, the higher force, I had a very supportive spouse who helped me start this journey and has till now always supported me. So for me, the journey of self identity started, and I dabbled with a lot of things, right from being into sales, into finance, into media. I was like a jack of all and master of none till I did my image consultancy in 2014, and I happened to work with a lot of people trying to change their external appearance. And that is when the fact dawned upon me that the external changes are never permanent till they are not aligned with the internal changes. And that is how my journey with self awareness began. The lows which I had felt earlier and how I had overcome them became a supporting factor which gave me conviction while I went about training individuals and corporates, and I spoke to them about my experience, how I went through stuff, and how self awareness has put me where I am today. So friends, today I would want to share 5 important learnings with you from my story. Do not lose heart, just stand up to the various situations which are there. You need to take 500% responsibility for where you are today. You cannot blame anybody, you cannot blame the situation, because the moment you start blaming others or a situation externally, you are giving up your power. You need to be authentic and genuine, because people can see through you. You cannot fool people. Genuinity and authenticness will be your ally throughout your life. People will start connecting to it. It is only the hard work which stays with you. Energy never dissipates, it only changes form. So if you are working hard towards something, there is something which will come back to you in some way. Do not lose heart. It may not come the way you want it, but you will definitely get rewarded for all the hard work that you have put in. Our decisions will change our life. We need to make decisions and work towards them as micro steps. So that one decision has to be taken at some point of time. The journey is as important as the destination. Please do not forget that. It is the journey which is, bringing about the transformation. It is not reaching the goal. It is not the destination which is changing you. It is the journey which is changing you. So these learnings I want to quickly share, especially a last one with the ambitious women out there, that you need to have a mentor or a coach for your career if you're serious about it. The coach could be a boss, a colleague, a father, brother, or anybody you look up to, but you really need to have a coach early on in your life, a career coach who can hold your hand through it. Thank you friends. Today I'm sharing my story and my learnings. Hope you resonate with it. Please leave a comment below, or you can write to me at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. Thank you.